annual Lostview Farm video for posterity. It is July 27th, 2012, and thought I'd take a little video to show where we're at this time of year. Bees kept by our friend Dan, chickens down there. Things are in pretty full bloom right now. You can see there's still some work to be done on the exterior of the house, but we're close. Hi, Nina. Upper garden with flowers and herbs and vegetables, apple tree. Just in case you get hungry for some rocks, I see we have some all dished up for us. Some flowers. Lots of asparagus and rhubarb back there. Newhouse has got tomatillos, peppers, and tomatoes and basil right now. And just coming down to the lower gardens, the Kwanzaa building. Our apple trees only have a few apples this year after a early warm spring, but then a late freeze. So we won't have much cider this year, unfortunately. The lower gardens, and I think you might be able to see the sheep way out there. And then we've got some compost, squash, corn, hops, our alfalfa field. And the turkeys are in here picking at these gardens which were done and need to be reseeded. I don't know if we can see the turkeys in there. They've got their little shelter. Some more fruit trees and squash. Oh, there they are. Nina's gonna go herd the turkeys. Here are the sheep out here having a grand old time out on the field. And that's about it. Till next time.